In this video, we will review how to change contacts in SimSolid. Contacts can be automatically set in SimSolid through specifying the gap and penetration tolerances. Contacts in SimSolid are either geometric or fastener related. Individual contacts can be changed by selecting a contact via left mouse button click, and then right-clicking and clicking on the Edit Default Contact Condition tab. Multiple contacts can be edited through holding down the Control key on the keyboard, and then left mouse button clicking those entities, and then right-clicking on the Edit Default Contact Condition tab. Multiple selections can also be applied through a Shift Select option. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and then left mouse button click to select all entities, and then right-click to edit the default contact condition. Summary tables in SimSolid can be viewed to see all fasteners and geometric contacts in one clean table, as well as the initial penetration and gap options. Fastener connections can be edited in the same fashion as the geometric contacts. Fastener contacts can be edited to reflect true fastener conditions, whether it's a bonded connection or a friction-based contact. To learn more about SimSolid or other Altair products, go to www.trueinsight.io.